Who's ambidextrous? You can use your right or your left paw.
I think we have a problem.
Treat.
I think he alternates between right and left.
He knows he has to make the sound. Just touching it isn't enough.
Treat.
He goes right, left, right. You know that?
One more after
Let's
that.
see if he does the left. Next.
One more, that's all.
He has this theory that you have to
Treat.
tap. You have to tap it twice. That was left. And now he's going to do the right this time. Does he keep alternating? I mean, why is he alternating? Nope.
Treat.
But he does double tap.
You make sure that it makes
Okay, that's enough for now, okay? We've got a problem.
One
No,
more.
that's
One more.
No.
One more. Go ahead.